I think till hypothesis we did no during last lecture. So all the unit 1 and 2 which is there in the syllabus, why there is research, need of research, type of research, research in accounting and finance, how what are the process of research, what is review of literature, and hypothesis framing, so on and so forth, which we have seen in several slides of research methodology, which has been deliberated in the lecture during 4, 5, 6 lectures in your class. So we have this syllabus in our SY BAF, which talks about introduction, meaning, objective, features, uh, types, formulation of research problem, review of literature, research design, types, formulation, and then third chapter is data collection and processing, hypothesis, formulation of hypothesis, etc. So based on this, we have already seen these things which has been already taught to you all. Problems related to research, what are things which is required for the research, different types of research, descriptive, analytical, process of research, how the research problem to be defined. This has been deliberated in detail to you all during the lecture, sources, problem, right? And then we have also seen the review of literature, which is integral part. I believe review of literature is the base of research. If I'm talking about descriptive research, which is based on your, which is the research on economic, finance, accounting, is the first we start from review of literature. That also we have seen from where we can get what are the different types. Then we have seen hypothesis, how the variables can be taken into account, right? Characteristics of hypothesis and other things. I have also told you all there is a book which you can refer if you want, which describes the theoretical aspect of research methodology. And there are other books also, reference books also, which you can refer regarding the syllabus which we have in our SY BAP. Okay, so this all we had seen in detail. We have already gone through these things in past lectures. I have given you few video also which comprises different element of research methodology which we have learned over a period of last lectures related to research methodology. Am I right? Yes or no, dear student? Other things are also there. You please go through if you want. Okay, it will help you go through and learn. Today I'm going to teach you something different, something totally different. And now let us go to have the handy discussion, which I believe will be very fruitful. I believe, provided you give your 100% attention to that. Okay, theoretical you go simultaneously. Now today onwards we will be having practical deliberation, practical things, how the research can be made so simpler, so easy, which will make the things effective for all of us. So that we are going to learn in today's session. Once again, I'm telling you, this is purely practical approach. This is only to make you aware because now we are approaching the third unit of data collection and all. So for that, this part learning is very important. In exam, whatever I have deliberated in this PPTs, several PPT, whatever I have given you in this book will be required. But for practical application, and you'll apply it for doing your own research, what I'm going to teach you today onwards is going to help. I think things are clear to you all. Have you understood why I'm teaching this other way, the other kind of research? So that you can apply these techniques for doing your own research. I believe I have already asked you all to make your own research problem. How many of you have done it? To select your own research problem. How many of you have done it? I have given you even these examples which is available for us, right? Like this is an example of your own student who is there in TY, earlier he was there in SY, how he has made the comparative study of Tally and Microsoft version whereby online accounting process can be done. He has compared which are the different sources, which are the different application, what is their cost, what is their usage. This research is started by Ruchik in last year when he was there with me in my class of SY BAF, and this year continuously he is doing on the research. In now also he is taking the same topic for his semester 6. He won 2 time prizes. This time also he got cash prize of 3,000 on this research. Okay, so he started thinking, that was his problem. We have assisted him, and finally, he created objective hypothesis. These were the data analysis, so on and so forth. Similarly, I have given you other examples also, okay, related to research methodology of my earlier students who have done under me. What are the different impact of demonetization took place when the demonetized. These are the old research which I am referring to. So similarly, I have asked you all to find out the problem. I believe none of you have started thinking on that area. How many of you have done it? If you have done it, then can you share your problems? If at all you have selected few problems, few social problems on which you wanted to do the research. Any one of you? Okay. Why it is happening so? Because this is the simple process of research. Am I right? Which we have discussed during our deliberation. We start with problem which I am asking today also. We do the review of literature, which I am always asking should be done before having the problem. Once you have decided, then review will do everything. Then we have to do the hypothesis. Then we have to do the question and questionnaire, etc., etc. Okay. But if you go for the reference book, they have stated research process like this, which is very difficult for anyone to understand. Now, you understanding what this entire picture wanted to explain to us? Huh? Actually, this is going the same thing. I told you review has been done first, then do the investigation, then select your topic, then do the process, then identify your keyword, or your review refines your research problem, then you can create the research question, or your review will inform your credibility of the research or the significance of research, or review will inform you the framework to develop or operate or create the database. So try to understand before starting the research problem, identifying the research problem, we should start our journey from review. Yes or no? I was telling you just now also. Yana. So review plays a very integral part, very integral aspect when it comes to research and doing the research. We have seen these processes. Okay. Now today I'm going to ask a very simple question from all of you. If I'll ask you to make a movie, okay, what all you require? For making a movie, what all you require? I want to answer from all of you.
Sir, script,
Script, very good.
plot,
Yeah, scripting is plotting only. Director, money,
uh,
Casting,
then
casting, then
videographers,
videographers, very good. Then और क्या क्या लगता है?
Good story.
Story, very good. At least when we are there in Mumbai, it's very easy. I mean, we are there where Bollywood plays, Bollywood rules across the globe. So we are knowing these answers. Others also participate. Editor, okay. Then I want all of you to participate.
So VFX.
Okay, VFX is new concept. Yes, that is again a part of editing what he is talking about.
Sir, finance for the movie.
Finance, okay, very good. Okay, what else? Actor,
Permission of
location,
The
government.
location
Legit
for shoot.
permission of government.
permission of government, or
Location for the shoot.
location for the shoot, or producer, director. Super. देखो आज पूरा क्लास पार्टिसिपेट कर रहा है, राइट और नॉट? हाँ या ना? क्यों? क्योंकि मैंने बोला कि आज रिसर्च नहीं पढ़ना है, आज क्या पढ़ना है? आज मेकिंग ऑफ मूवी पढ़ना है, तो सबको मजा आ रहा है। और अगर मैं बताऊं, अच्छा, कैन यू now you have given me the answer like location, advertisement, promotion, actor, editing, character, money, director, producer, okay, dress man, makeup man. If I will ask you to make the synchronization of it, which come first? What should be the first? Then what next? Then what next? Then what next? Yeah, spot boy, producer. So I want the answer. Okay, we got many answers by different students. Now my question is a bit different. What we want first, then after that, then after that, then after that. Can I have your answer, please?
so firstly the story,
Firstly, the story. From where we will get the story, Varsha? From where we will get the story?
so all the research that we that we do in the market, all the people are making, we think that we need to make some different story. People would like. So from idea that we get into our mind.
So how we will get that story exactly what we want? It's not one day we will dream and tomorrow we will get. As I said, what we need to do. Suppose I want to start.
So a lot. Sir, if from getting an inspiration from someone to make a movie, and then we think of an idea.
इंस्पिरेशन आ गया, आइडिया आ गया, फिर ऐसे बन जाएगा.
Because building a story needs
Needs what?
नहीं सर, क्योंकि स्टोरी बनाने के सोचने के लिए बहुत दिन वो
Research.
लगता है.
वही क्या लगता है मुझे बताइए. I wanted to know that. Someone is getting me. Observation is needed. Script writer is needed. Writer is
Sir,
needed.
development.
Observation is needed. Have you seen any movie at the beginning?
Development.
They give all the details like we have collected the detail from this. Have you seen that? Yes or no? They at the beginning only. We suppose if you will see the Om Namah Shivaya or something like that, Bharar Mahadev, they will see and they will locate. Or suppose if we started doing or watching Ramayana, they will tell you that we have collected from Valmiki Ramayana, we have got the detail from Tulsi Ramayana, we got the detail. Yes or no? हाँ या ना. देखा है कभी? अभी चालू करके कोई मूवी देखो, पता चलेगा तुमको. They give the references from where they have changes and made the. You have seen so many versions of Ramayana in our television, and everywhere there is something new which we have not seen in earlier version. This is all coming from different review of literature. Okay. So as much as you do the review, just now I was telling you, that is why today I wanted to teach you research methodology as making the movie. There is no difference between making movie and doing research. I hope now henceforth you will do the research because it is as similar as making the movie. So just now you have seen and many of you have participated. I am very happy that there also the beginning starts from review of literature, the things which is available. So suppose you will see the Jodha Akbar. They will tell you from where the script they have taken, and then finally they are making this 3 hour or 2.5 hour movie. Or if we are talking about any kind of a movie, historical or any kind of thing, and they are putting this disclaimer. The name is just merely matching. We have no connection with so and so forth. So today we will learn making movie and doing research is as similar as what we talk about. None of you have got me the detail how exactly the synchronization could be done. And here it is. You first decide the name on which you wanted to do the movie. Suppose now we are getting Mahabharat as a movie whereby Amir Khan, many good actor is playing, doing the acting. Are you aware or not? That is coming, okay, in silver screen. So that is the name. Then they do the research. So many reference they must have done for making this. Okay, it is not one day ka story. Then as many of them they have stated script from where they are creating, from different review of literature. Yes or no? Whatever the literature is available, from there only they get the script. Tell me yes or no, dear student. Yes.
Yes.
Then we talk about producer. Producer is doing nothing. They are just financing. Simple. Everything is there on the head of director. So producer is your research guide. So we'll just give their name. Everything you have to do being the research scholar. Kindly take down. This is very important for you to understand the research. Research scholar and research student is not different. Both are same. Okay. Here I have used the word scholar. You can write research student in SY level. No problem. Okay. Then we have actor. I'll tell you how it is known as variable. Variable means which has different character, which is not constant, which varies. Have you seen Amitabh in all movie only acting as an actor? I mean, as a hero. You have never seen Amitabh in comic role. You have never seen Amitabh as a parent role. You have never seen Amitabh in negative role. देखा है क्या? अरे tell me yes or no. That is known as variable. That is known as variable, which varies. Similarly, what we will consider as per our objective is having different characteristics than what others is thinking. Okay, so that varies from person to person, research to research, researcher to researcher, and the variability will come. And believe me, you can do the research only on variables, not on constant. Can you do the research on constant? Constant in the sense, sun is rising from east and sunset is there on west. इस पे आप कोई रिसर्च हो सकता है? It is fixed. Yes or no? Then what we do the research? We do the research, the temperature. The temperature now in this 2021 is much lower as compared to the temperature of 2020 or 2019. Had you seen that kind of news in different news articles? This time Mumbai has coldest winter. Yes or no? Are ha ya na? Because that is variable in nature. It can never be constant. After 2 months, it will not remain the same. After 3 months, again, it will not remain the same. Yes or no? Why? Because it is variable in nature. Variable things which is very. So then again on one temperature or one day ka temperature we can't do. We have to do the average out. That is why different statistical tool is used for doing the research. I hope now the things are clear to you all. Why we use the statistical tool? Because we want to average out the data, what is available. And then only we can give our comment or conclusion or any kind of suggestions, okay, etc., etc. I hope things are clear till here. Then we required amenities, that is logistics, which is known in research as research design. Then we required location, as many of you have rightly stated, that is called area of research, where we do want to do the research. Okay, you have seen this example which I have quoted to you all. So here there is an example, a study on investors' behavior towards mutual fund with reference to Vasai Virar city. So what is the location the researcher wanted to take? The area which is there in the Vasai Virar region. Understood what is the meaning of location? That always goes. Okay. Then marketing. As I told you, Rushik is today also doing the research. Research has not been completed. He started presenting their papers. So what you found in movie, they do the poster release, they do the song release. Yes or no? They have the trailer release. देखा है क्या promotions? Similarly, different aspect of your research, you can do the promotion in one or other research conferences. Another research conference is coming with NK College. The details again is there with Ashutosh. Kindly contact, make your research, present, you will learn a lot. Then it comes to distributor, which is for company, society, government, for whom we are doing. Then there is the censor board, which really define whether it will be Padmavat or Padmavati. So that is what is called in our academic field as RRC, Research Review Committee. Okay, or DRC, right? Directorate of Research Committee. They decide. And finally, one day it will be released. Then it will give you either hit or flop. So either your research will be executed or not, or it will be giving you appropriate result or not. You have seen we have even in Sri Harikota, when we tried for mass, we could not 100% got succeed. Yes or no? Okay. But do you think they have stopped doing research? Or in one movie, if the Amitabh movie is getting flop, they stop doing another movie? ऐसा होता है क्या? Tell me yes or no. No. So again we will do the next research problem. Again we'll start the same. We have defined the problem. Okay, title is nothing but research problem, which we were referring to. Okay. Title of research is nothing but research problem, which we are referring to. Okay. I hope things are clear to you all. This is best example to understand research. And I hope you must have written in your notebook. Just take one by one. Name is nothing but the title of the movie or research problem should be very crystal clear. Because when you have seen the movie, you must have realized they give the appropriate title for entire content. Yes or no? If we are seeing the movie name called Uri, we know that what they are talking about. And if the same we want to watch as a movie name called any movie का नाम ले तो मेरे को समझ में आए. I'm very poor because I'm watching very less movies. So by seeing the name only, you can make out what will be the content of the movie. Or suppose if I'm talking about Padmavat as a title of movie, we know what exactly will be the content of Padmavat. Yes or no? Similarly, when you do the research and you are taking up any title, your thing should be very crystal clear. What study you want to do, what area you have selected, in what reference you want to do, so on and so forth. I hope things are clear to you all. So anyone who wants to evaluate your research, they will first see the title, and that entire content which is there with that title is matching with each other or not. Yes, getting everyone. Yeah, Border. Suppose there was a movie name called Border. We know what they are talking about. It will be between some fight of different two countries where there is a border issue, right? So this is the best and apt example, what I believe, to understand research. So today onwards, we will not learn research as theoretically, which is there in the book. We want to learn the research as a fun to make a movie, that I am making my own movie. And I am the director of the movie. If this movie is getting hit, I'll be paid off. My name will be there. So on and so forth. Yes or no? So based on that concept, if you will start working, definitely you are going to achieve your target. And that is why I have changed the role of teaching research methodology. Theoretically, I have already completed. Theoretically, I have already completed this entire unit. Okay. So now I am doing the practical application of these two units. And then we will go for third unit. Okay. So this is F example. Title of the movie is your research problem, or title of research. Script is review, producer is your guide, director is you, actors are variable. We are going to see all these things in our upcoming lectures. Now please study theoretically. I will explain